Welcome to your dream home, brought to you by American Dream Realty, where dream homes come true. Adorable starter home, totally rehabbed open floor plan with 3-bedroom and 2 bathrooms, new roof fenced backyard with screen porch to enjoy evenings outdoors. Kitchen has been updated with granite countertops, new paint, new appliances, light fixtures and plumbing fixtures. Bathrooms have been updated with tile and fixtures. New plush carpet in the bedrooms and LVP flooring in living room and hall. New water heater and HVAC a few years old. Close to all amenities and Fort Jackson Gate, Weston Lake. A must-see, won't last long.